Mathabu ma mahuthiro ma mbeca cia kaunti ya Kiambu ni maremete kuingirana na nikio kamiti ya Senate igie mathabu irikite guthuthuria riboti ya muthurimi wa mathabu
Ferdinand Waititu baba yao dus
iria yaugite ati thirikari ya Kiambu ni huthirite mbeca na njira iria yagiriire.
When did you make the presentation?
Already they are here.
When?
Today.
We cannot deal with documents that have just come.
Otherwise, I also apologize for
what
that.
I'm glad about.
Governor Ferdinand Waititu agitindiko ataririe gitumi gia thirikari yake ihuthire shiringi milioni 900 na mihango ya thingira wa iregi ikahuthira shiringi milioni 180 cia gutuga president aria mahurukite wira ikahuthira mamilioni ma mbeca gukinyaniria githomo gia cukuru cia muthingi gitari marihi ikahuthira shiringi milioni 500 cia kurehe thayo bururi-ini wa Sudan ya muhuro oriri mawira maya matari ma thirikari cia kaunti.
Is it Kiambu County government that is financing State House, that is paying statutory benefits for retired presidents?
I think we must ask for a special audit to be done.
No Governor Waititu akionania kuhahurwo ni mahuthiro maya akiuga ti ma thirikari yake.
It's also new to me, honestly. I think it's a misuse of template of the national government because nobody could have assumed that we could have such figures in our county.
Na kuona seneta wa kaunti ya Kiambu Kimani Wamatangi na seneta Isaac Mwaura ni a kamiti ino Waititu agekwa utetini ukugitio mathabu-ini maya.
I want to believe that this report was not interfered by anybody to put in those things so that when I come here I'll be cornered the way you are cornered. I just want to believe. Very sincerely.
I'm very curious to hear the governor feigning ignorance of his own budget.
And so, Chair, this cannot be anything else unless proven otherwise, but just a conduit of absolute plunder and theft.
No riu kamiti ino ya Senate irenda uthurimi mweru utafanio kuona makiria shiringi bilioni 2 ni ihuthiritwo na njira itaramenyeka.
We shall have a side discussion with the Auditor General on how to practically carry out that exercise within those timelines.
Ona kigina kiria kihuthagirwo kuhurana na unyui wa njohi kiundutho gia Kasoba ni giguthurimwo. No hithurio ngi uria uronania uitagi hamwe na uhuthiri muru wa mbeca cia thirikari cia kaunti undu uria uraiga hatikaini uheani wa motungata kuri muingi hamwe na gukorwo ho gwa thirikari cia kaunti. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma cikaro cia mbunge njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.